In this video we are going to talk about dividend kings to buy. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to this channel for our future updates. Dover Corporation, NYSE, DOV. Dover Corporation, NYSE, DOV, is an Illinois-based conglomerate company that manufactures industrial products, with a focus on engineered products, fueling solutions, imaging and identification, pumps and process solutions, and refrigeration equipment. A $0.50 per share quarterly dividend was issued by Dover Corporation, NYSE, DOV, on November 4, representing a 1% increase over the previous payout of 49 cents per share. It was paid on December 14 to stockholders who had their dividends declared and paid by the company on November 30. Dover Corporation, NYSE, DOV, announced on December 16 that it had acquired Acme Cryogenics for $295 million in cash, and that it had also agreed to purchase Engineered Controls International, commonly abbreviated as RIGO, for $631 million. On January 7, Oppenheimer analyst Brian Blair raised his rating on Dover Corporation, NYSE, DOV, to outperform from perform and set a price target of $205 for the stock. According to the analyst, Dover Corporation, NYSE, DOV growth, and margin-accretive clean energy transactions have prompted him to come off the sidelines and become a shareholder. Acme and RIGO, according to him, let the company expedite its portfolio evolution. Grainger Incorporated, NYSE, GWW. Worldwide Grainger, NYSE, GWW, is a Chicago-based industrial supply firm that sells motors, lighting, material handling, fasteners and plumbing supplies to customers all over the world. The company also provides technical support to its customers. Grainger Incorporated, NYSE, GWW, has paid dividends on a continuous basis for 50 years, resulting in a payout ratio of 33.11% for the company. Grainger Incorporated, NYSE, GWW, declared a quarterly dividend of $1.62 per share on October 27, the same amount as in the previous quarter. The dividend was paid on December 1 to shareholders who had registered their shares by November 8. Currently, the dividend yield on the stock is 1.29% as of January 19, according to MarketWatch. In a research note issued on November 1, Oppenheimer analyst Christopher Glynn boosted the price target on Grainger Incorporated, NYSE, GWW, to $535 from $500 and maintained an outperform rating on the stock. As the analyst pointed out, the performance of Grainger Incorporated, NYSE, GWW, exceeded expectations in terms of seasonality. Core non-pandemic sales increased by 22% year-over-year against an industry-wide decline of -8%, and the company demonstrated broad strength across customer demographics. Grainger Incorporated, NYSE, GWW, also reported strong earnings and revenue in the third quarter, both of which exceeded expectations. Lowe's Companies Incorporated, NYSE, Lowe. Lowe's Companies Incorporated, NYSE, Lowe, is a home improvement retailing company based in the United States that also has operations in Canada and Mexico. Lowe's Companies Incorporated, NYSE, Lowe, will have more than 2,000 retail locations in North America by 2021, according to the company. As previously announced, Lowe's Companies Incorporated, NYSE, LOW, declared a 80 cents per share quarterly dividend on November 12, maintaining its yield of 1.35% and presenting a forward yield of 80 cents per share. The dividend will be paid on February 2 to shareholders who have their shares on hand on January 19. In a research note issued on January 19, Citi analyst Stephen Zaccone boosted the price target on Lowe's Companies Incorporated, NYSE, Lowe, to $292 from $270 and maintained a buy rating on the stock. Home improvement and auto parts retailers, according to the analyst, have benefited from a shift in mood toward conservative, stable margin sectors. On December 15, Lowe's Companies Incorporated, NYSE, Lowe, provided guidance for fiscal year 22, FY22. The business anticipates diluted earnings per share of $12.25 to $13, compared to a consensus estimate of $12.92. Lowe's Companies Incorporated, NYSE, Lowe, expects total sales to reach roughly $95 billion this year, representing a sales increase of 33% over the previous two-year period. In addition, a $12 billion share repurchase program has been announced. Bill Ackman's Pershing Square is the largest shareholder in Lowe's Companies Incorporated, NYSE, Lowe, among the hedge funds tracked by Insider Monkey, holding 10.2 million shares worth more than $2 billion in the company. In total, 60 hedge funds were positive on the stock in the third quarter of 2021, according to hedge fund research. Target Corporation, NYSE, TGT. Target Corporation, NYSE, TGT, is one of the largest American department store chains, offering a wide range of products including beauty and health products, clothing, accessories, electronics, food, furniture, pet supplies, and other relevant items. Target Corporation is headquartered in Minneapolis, Minnesota. A long and illustrious dividend history can be found at Target Corporation, NYSE, TGT, with the firm offering growing dividends for 54 straight years. Additionally, Target Corporation, NYSE, TGT, outperformed the market on both the earnings per share and revenue fronts in the third quarter of fiscal 2020. Target Corporation, NYSE, TGT, issued a quarterly dividend of 90 cents per share on January 13, which was the same as the previous year. The dividend is payable on March 10 to shareholders who have their shares on hand on February 16 at the close of business. Analyst Christopher Horvers of J.P. Morgan Capital Markets withdrew Objective Corporation, NYSE, TGT, from the firm's analyst focus list on January 14 while maintaining an overweight rating on the stock and a $292 price target on the stock. Despite the analyst's concerns about same-store sales predictions in the short future, he maintains an overweight rating on the stock because of the company's still solid customer base, ongoing share increases, and support for share repurchases. Target Corporation, NYSE, TGT, is a favored dividend stock among hedge funds, among companies such as the Procter & Gamble Company, NYSE, PG, Johnson & Johnson, NYSE, J&J, and the Coca-Cola Company, NYSE, KO. Stanley Black & Decker Incorporated, NYSE, SWK. Industrial tool maker Stanley Black & Decker Incorporated, NYSE, SWK, is headquartered in Connecticut and produces a variety of products, including domestic hardware and security products. Stanley Black & Decker Incorporated, NYSE, SWK, has increased its dividend payments for 54 consecutive years and currently offers a yield of 1.72% as of January 19, according to the most recent available data. On October 20, Stanley Black & Decker Incorporated, NYSE, SWK, declared a quarterly dividend of 79 cents per share, which was the same as the previous quarter. The dividend was paid on December 21 to stockholders, who had their shares on hand as of the first day of December. In a research note issued on January 4, Barclays analyst Julian Mitchell upped the price target on Stanley Black & Decker Incorporated, NYSE, SWK, to $232 from $231 and maintained an overweight rating on the stock. For multi-industry businesses in Q4, the analyst expects inflation to enhance sales, but he anticipates margin pressure in the near term. The strengthening U.S. currency is also a developing headwind, according to the analyst in a research report sent to investors. The top shareholder in Stanley Black & Decker Incorporated, NYSE, SWK, according to Insider Monkey's third-quarter database is Zena Investment Management, which owns more than 1 million shares worth $177.5 million in the company. In total, 37 hedge funds were long Stanley Black & Decker Incorporated, NYSE, SWK, in the third quarter of 2021, a decrease from 44 firms in the previous quarter of 2021. According to prominent hedge funds, Stanley Black & Decker Incorporated, NYSE, SWK, is a popular dividend stock, alongside the Procter & Gamble Company, NYSE, PG, Johnson & Johnson, NYSE, J&J, and the Coca-Cola Company, NYSE, KO. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comments section below. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from me again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.